Alright guys, so hello and welcome to Knot Patterns. So today quickly we're going to learn how to pipe a senator neck. Alright, you see it's dark but I'm still making this video because I want you guys to get this. Alright, so let's start the video and make our senator neck piping. Okay, I'll teach you a very simple and easy method. Let's start. Alright guys, so for you to be able to make a senator piping, neck piping, I'm going to show you a very easy and a simple method you can use to achieve this. Okay, now this is my senator top here. I'm making this top for a customer, so I'm simply going to measure and see the wideness of the neck. All right, you can see this neck wideness is 8.5. Okay, that's 17. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my piping. You see I've cut it on the stretchy side, okay, on the bias side, so it can stretch. All right, so you make it 1.5 inch wide or 2 inches. After that you simply go ahead to press it this way. All right, now like I said, this is a very simple method, but it gives an accurate and a very good result. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. All right, so the method is simple and it's straightforward. Very simple method. All right, so the next thing now is to apply our hemming gum inside. You see, that's my hemming gum there. I've applied it in, and I'm going ahead to iron it. Okay, now very important, when you are making this neck, at this point that you are folding this fabric from two edges, let the meeting point, let the fabric not overlap at the meeting point. It will become too thick. All right, so next thing now is, you see I'm going to turn this, but one side will be wider than the other one. That's what I'm showing you right there. The one that is wider will be the one to be under, and the one that is a bit smaller will be the top, the good side, the good face. So I'm going to carefully iron it. Guys, this is what actually makes the neck to lie that flat. See the way I'm ironing it, just watch and see the way I'll iron it. This is the secret of getting it to be flat. Now I have turned on the bad or the back, all right, the inner side of the neck, and I'm ironing on the inner side of the neck so that the heat of the iron doesn't shine the good face. Okay, so can you see this? Doesn't shine the good face. Can you see? So at this point our neck is ready for us to fix it. This piping is ready for us to fix to our neck, the neck of the top. So watch carefully how I'm going to fix it. You can see how it's looking. It's already giving it that round shape automatically. So now the next thing is to bring in my top. Let's go to the machine. All right, so watch carefully how I'm going to be fixing this. Like I said, the part that is wider is the down part. I'll open it and then I'll close it this way, and I'll carefully stitch it. Now there are different ways of stitching this piping. Okay, one of the ways is to just make this first stitch, and that's all. Okay, that's one of the ways to make this first stitch, and that's all. Okay, another way is to actually make maybe 2 stitches and then you leave it, but for the most part I make 3 stitches. All right, others make 4, 5, as many as they want to, but I prefer it when there are less stitches on my neck. It comes out neater, all right, and better for me. So watch carefully the way I'm stitching it. It's as simple as this. The trick here is in ironing it first. Okay, you iron and you ensure that the piping is curved, is round. Okay, that's the trick. So you can see this. We are done with the first seam. So like I said, you could choose to stop at this point, or you could choose to add more stitches to it. For me, I do 3 stitches, so I'll do one at the top now, then I'll finally add the last stitch in the middle. And after this stitching, guys, even how you iron it matters a lot. How to press it with the iron matters a lot, and I'm going to show you how the best way, the right way to iron it for it to come out very nice. Okay, so look at this. You could choose to leave it at this point, okay, or you could choose to add a stitch. So let me add one more stitch in the center, which is my pattern. That's how I usually do it. So after this, now we'll just go to the table and we'll iron it, and you see how perfect our neck will come out. Can you see this? Very clean. So watch carefully how I'm going to be. I'll iron it. I'll start from behind, from the back, from the inner part. I'll iron it properly. See the way I'm positioning my hand. See the way I'm adjusting it before ironing. It's very important. You have to adjust it to be roundish, okay, to be the shape you want it to be before you go ahead to iron. Can you see this? So let's turn it over to the good face now. Let's turn it over to the good side, and then we'll do the final ironing. You can see it's already taking shape. Already it is taking shape. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. I would really appreciate. Okay, you can see this. You can see that side now, guys. This is a very easy, simple, perfect way of making piping your neck. If you this video helped you, if you understand and if it is clear, please don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate. Can you see what we're having here? This is excellent, guys. Excellent, 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 guys. This is super fine, super fine. See this? So please, guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I would really appreciate. This is a masterpiece. This is the simplest and the easiest way of piping your senator top. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.